Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We do that with Bloomberg's Tatiana Dari. Tatiana, what are you looking at?
We'll start with CoreWeave, a notable mover to the downside today, falling as much as 19% at the open, the lowest only since August of last year, but still a big move there. The AI infrastructure company reported a bigger than expected loss while boosting its capital expenditures. So that's reviving some of those capex concern in the market. Sales rose to $1.6 billion compared to $1.55 that the analysts were expecting. So at least some relief there, but the market does not want to see this capital expenditures plans rising, and CoreWeave is the latest victim here to the market's worry.
Yeah, definitely. What about Dell? Shares are in the green, jumping.
Yeah, Dell is doing the exact opposite. Performance jumping as much as 18% at the open, the largest increase since March 2024. And it sits on the other side of the AI spectrum today because it is one of CoreWeave's major suppliers and one of the beneficiaries for the hunt for servers. The company said it will generate about $50 billion in server revenue in the current fiscal quarter. And the CEO said it has a record backlog of $43 billion as major AI providers are seeking its servers to run their AI workloads. The company also announced a $10 billion increase in share buybacks. So the market is pleased that it is seeing some of those capitals return to the market. So the picks and shuffle trade is still out there, much alive, or parts of it is, despite what we've seen with NVIDIA this week.
Netflix.
And Netflix, Paul, this is one for you. Shares are rising after the company was outbid by Paramount Skydance in its bid to acquire Warner Brothers. The company last night said they are declining to raise their $82.7 billion offer for Warner Brothers Studios and streaming business. And investors seem to be happy that they're finally walking away from this deal, which they feared would saddle the company with debt and financial risks. It also marks an end to the contentious fight both in Hollywood and in Washington, and Netflix shares have declined 15% since their offer in December through yesterday's closed. That is poised to strengthen.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.